4-story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include parking assist system, keyless ignition, technology package, hands-free Bluetooth integration. You are going to love the 2020 Rio 5-door. The Kia Rio 5-door vehicle is a compact hatchback with a newly designed and improved interior. The Rio 5-door also comes with an improved technology package that features its tablet-like touchscreen and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, wheel covers, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, steel wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.